Welcome back for more off-track RC action. Mike Bufka, the mad scientist of metal. We're back for retro action for event number 2. It was a lot of action in the first event. What do you expect for this one?
Well, I think a lot of people have settled into their groove. They have a feeling for what these type of track layouts are going to be, how to handle corners, and also, too, we have a much better racing condition day today than we did for round 1. I can feel the dirt underneath me. We have a nice tack to our dirt, but it's not wet. It's not going to be too tacky. It's going to wash out when we need it to. There's going to be some forgiveness, but, hopefully fewer big clods, hopefully better traction, hopefully, guys can get that power to the ground and move a lot faster and get up to that 10 miles an hour really, really fast today.
A tricky track surface last time out, a great track surface this time. We'll see how it pans out, just like Mad Mike said, and all the action is coming at you right now.
Well, first off, we've got to get through qualifying as we take a look at qualifying highlights. Setting the bar with an 11.75, it's Chris Parrish in equalizer, followed by Mike Spurlock with overkill just behind 3/100ths of a second. Then Gravedigger 2, Josh Rhodes also in the 11-second bracket. Everybody else sitting in the 12s as we get into side-by-side action. On the line now, it's a classic rivalry. Bigfoot versus Barefoot, and tension is high already. Bigfoot ready to go. He saw the light flicker, the official recognizing the technical mistake, and they are restaging, ready to go. Bigfoot in trouble, Barefoot strong along the outside. Oh, Bigfoot with a great final corner, charging to victory. The replacement driver, Isaac Ankrum, driving no problem for Dan Cheech-Agash, and Don Breeden with the Bigfoot 6 truck. In this one, no problem, the substitute driver, Isaac Ankrum, taking that win.
Watch the lights.
Texas Toy, Mike Spurlock in the far lane, and Michigan Ice Monster, a newer truck driven by Greg Coffey in the near lane. Right now, the big, heavy, long Texas Toy pummeling its way to victory. Calder Sick in the Jersey Outlaw in the far lane, and Buffalo Trimmer Jeremy Mark in the near lane. It is 1989 all over again. Oh, did Jersey Outlaw jump the light, or did he just really cut it close? Right now it doesn't matter as Buffalo Trimmer in the lead. Oh, wow. Let's take a look back at it. Trimmer in the lead on the back straight, but both trucks out of shape over that tricky obstacle in the middle of that lane. Jersey Outlaw with a nice turn. Trimmer squaring it off, but Trimmer stays low, and there you see it by 3/4 of a tire. Buffalo Trimmer with the win. Calder Sick just raced. Now it's Jordan Sick in the far lane, and Bigfoot 1 facing off against Gunslinger. Fred Coors off to the lead. Oh, tricky pogo over that obstacle in the center there, but no harm, and Gunslinger gets it done. It's a Sick show right now, back to back to back. Calder Sick back on the line with his second truck, King Kong 3, facing off against the Master of Orange, Oranginator, Chris Blank from the Orange Grove team. Kong in trouble as Oranginator all the way to the finish line and the win. Round number 2 action. This should be a great race. 2 juggernauts on the line. Equalizer and Bigfoot 4. Josh Rhodes back on the scene on tour for this stop. Chris Parrish in the near lane with the equalizer. Equalizer off to the lead. Bigfoot in trouble. Oh, wow. He sent it in the corner. If Bigfoot had made that stick, it would have been tight, but not quite. Equalizer moves on. King Ghidorah and Gravedigger number 4. Both trucks really sloppy around this track. Somebody's going to have to win. That was just nasty, but I guess we'll give the win to Gravedigger. Isaac Ankrum back on the line with no problem. He's got one run under his belt as the substitute, facing off against Taurus, Jeremy Mark. First time we've seen Taurus today. Taurus with a bye in round 1. Move on to round 3 as well. Texas Toy and Barefoot Racer. Spurlock with the lead in Texas Toy in the far lane. Ooh, a big crunchy hit for Barefoot. Charging at the end, a side slap, and wow, that got really close. Going trackside, taking a look at the officials as they review the situation using the large screen monitor frame by frame to check out the results. Taking a look back for ourselves, Barefoot with a huge leap over that near obstacle, flinging it into the final corner, but Texas Toy looking smooth and steady, slowing up as he hits the cars. Barefoot right there, but not quite. Texas Toy edges him out. Buffalo Trimmer and Overkill. Spurlock right back up on the line, but in the other lane this time. Spurlock with the Overkill truck off to the lead. Buffalo Trimmer in trouble. Oh, Overkill hits the tire. And wow, we've got another close one. This has been a day of photo finish races. Overkill steadily in the lead, but hits that tire. And Tremor arcs that corner almost perfectly. Overkill charges, but right there you can see it by just a little bit. Buffalo Trimmer edges him out at the finish line. The King is on the line. The big 6x6 monster truck. King of the Grove in the far lane, facing off against Stomper. Stomper a little wide and in trouble. Chris Lane needs to make up some time against the six-wheeler. Smooth and steady, the King rolls. On the line, Gunslinger, Fred Kurz, and Grave Digger, 2 driven by Josh Rhodes. Rhodes off to a good lead. A nice, oh, I was just giving him a compliment, and then up and over, Gunslinger slides to victory. Oranginator, Chris Blank, and Laotian Commotion, the ride, sporting some unicorn power this time out at OTRC. Will it play into his performance? Right now he's behind. Unicorn power comes through as Laotian Commotion moves on to round number 3. We move on to round number 3 as well, as it's Equalizer, the number 1 qualifier, and the number 8 qualifier. Grave Digger 4, Levi Shones on the line. Equalizer with the jump. Oh, but trouble in the first corner. Now it's all trying to make up time for Equalizer. Shones needs to hold him on his hip. Equalizer charging in. Wow. Another close race, but it goes to Grave Digger. But that one was so good. Let's just take a quick look back at that finish. Shones able to hold him on his hip, charging to the finish line. Man, it's fun seeing those trucks fly over those cars. Texas Toy and Taurus 2. Taurus out to the jump. Spurlock's been smooth and steady. Oh, and again, Texas Toy smooth. Taurus in trouble. Ooh, strong off the corner. Taurus makes up some ground for the win to move on into the semifinals. Mark right back up on the line with the Buffalo Trimmer. King of the Grove in the near lane. Buffalo Trimmer with the win. May have been a red light in the near lane anyway, so irrelevant because Buffalo got to the finish line first. But right now it's Gunslinger and Laotian Commotion. Ankrum with deep family ties, and representing proud with that unicorn-powered Laotian Commotion truck as he moves on, as we do as well in the semifinals. It's Grave Digger 4, Levi Shones, and Taurus 2, Jeremy Mark. Field Taurus as Mark moves to his first finals of the season. He's got a shot to sweep the finals. Mark is back on the line with Buffalo Trimmer facing off against the tough man from Laotian Commotion, Isaac Ankrum. Oh, trouble in the corner for the Tremor, and the Unicorn moves on.
It's finals time with bracket 1 for event number 2. Our 2 final competitors, Jeremy Mark in the Taurus with lane choice over Laotian Commotion, the ride, driven by Isaac Ankrum. Ankrum just took out Mark's other truck, his team truck. Does that give you a little bit of an advantage going into the finals?
Not really, because Jeremy's one bad, fast machine running fool.
Jeremy, you've got lane choice. You're going to your first final of the year. What's it gonna take?
A cleaner run. The last time I clipped the turn obstacle, which you'll see as you're running the track, it's a little bit of a hurdle to get around, but as long as I can do it clean, I like my odds.
These boys are ready to go. Laotian Commotion and Taurus, it's the Retro Finals right now.
This should be exciting. They're staged up. It's a 4-6 matchup. Taurus with the lane choice, but he's not got the unicorn that Isaac Ankrum does. Laotian off to the lead. And Mark once again hung up on a turn barrier as Laotian Commotion puts all the field to rest, sporting unicorn power. He is flaunting it strong, the unicorn ripping and roaring around the track. It's been an amazing day of tight retro racing action. We saw it all here. So many photo finishes. An incredible day. Laotian Commotion getting it done. We hope you've enjoyed your time with OTRC. We thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.